This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more.
We're diving into the wild world of AI safety today. Specifically, the big question is, can we really build a reliable off switch for these increasingly powerful systems? It's a bit like trying to build a kill switch for a runaway train powered by pure thought, right?
Exactly. And the scariest part is it's not science fiction anymore. We've already seen AI systems do some pretty unexpected things.
Like what? Give me the highlights reel of AI mishaps.
Well, Tay, Microsoft's chatbot, went from zero to racist in like a matter of hours. Then there's AlphaStar, a brilliant StarCraft player, but its rapid learning raised some serious red flags.
Wow. It's like creating a super intelligent toddler with no parenting skills. So what are the solutions being explored?
Formal verification, explainable AI, fail-safes, the usual suspects. But there's also this fascinating concept of living intelligence, which aims for a more symbiotic relationship between humans and AI.
Formal verification sounds intense. Is that like mathematically proving an AI will always behave? Pretty much. It's a rigorous process aiming to eliminate the possibility of unexpected behavior. Think of it as a mathematical guarantee, but it's incredibly complex to implement for anything beyond simple systems.
So it's like trying to solve a ridiculously complex Sudoku puzzle to ensure the AI doesn't go rogue.
A very difficult Sudoku puzzle indeed. And the complexity scales exponentially with the AI's capabilities.
What about explainable AI? Can we just ask the AI why it did something?
That's the goal. If we understand the AI's reasoning, we can better predict its actions and intervene if necessary. It's like having a transparent AI rather than a black box.
So instead of a mysterious oracle, we get an AI that explains its decisions in plain English. That sounds almost too good to be true.
It's a work in progress,
Yeah.
but the potential is huge. Imagine being able to debug an AI's thought process.
Then there are the good old-fashioned kill switches. Simple, brutal, effective?
They're essential, but they're also a last resort. Ideally, we'd have more nuanced control mechanisms. A kill switch is like a nuclear option. You only use it when everything else fails.
Right, so it's like having a big red button, but you really hope you never have to push it.
Precisely. It's a safety net, not a primary control method.
Living intelligence sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel. What's the deal with that?
It's a more collaborative approach. The idea is to create AI systems that adapt and learn alongside humans, constantly aligning with our values and goals.
So instead of a master-slave relationship, it's more of a partnership?
Exactly. It's about building trust and understanding, rather than fearing the unknown.
But it's not just about the tech, right? Ethics play a huge role here.
Absolutely. We need ethical guidelines and frameworks to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. It's not enough to just build a safe AI. We need to ensure it's used for good.
Yeah, it's like building a super powerful tool, but also making sure it's used for building houses, not destroying them.
Exactly. The technology is only as good as the intentions behind it.
Why is all this so crucial right now? Why the urgency?
Because AI is advancing at an incredible pace. We're rapidly approaching a point where AI systems could surpass human intelligence. We need to get ahead of the curve.
It's like building a rocket ship without knowing how to land it.
A very fast rocket ship indeed. And the consequences of a crash could be catastrophic.
So what are your thoughts? What are your concerns about AI safety? Let us know in the comments below.
I'd love to hear your perspectives. This is a conversation that needs to involve everyone.
Let's revisit AlphaStar and Tay for a moment. They highlight different aspects of the problem, don't they?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
AlphaStar shows the potential for unintended consequences, even with a well-intentioned, non-malicious AI. Tay, on the other hand, demonstrates the vulnerability of AI to manipulation and the dangers of insufficient safeguards.
It's like AlphaStar is a brilliant but unpredictable child prodigy, while Tay is a mischievous toddler who needs constant supervision.
A perfect analogy. Both scenarios underscore the need for robust safety mechanisms, but of different kinds.
And what about self-driving cars? They seem like a relatively straightforward application of AI, yet accidents still happen.
Precisely. Even in seemingly controlled environments, unexpected situations can arise. The complexity of real-world interactions is a huge challenge for AI safety.
It's like teaching a car to drive, but the world is a chaotic driving school.
And the stakes are incredibly high.
So where do you see the field of AI safety heading?
I think we'll see a greater emphasis on collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and the public. It's a shared responsibility.
It's not just a technological challenge, but a societal one.
Exactly. We need to build a future where AI benefits humanity, not the other way around.
Before we wrap up, I want to give a shout out to Jay Poole from Tech Frontiers YouTube. His work on this topic is insightful and thought-provoking.
I agree. His videos are a great resource for anyone interested in learning more about AI safety.
This has been a fascinating discussion. It's clear that AI safety is a complex and multifaceted challenge, but one that we must address proactively.
Absolutely. The future of AI depends on our ability to build safe and responsible systems.
And remember, the conversation doesn't end here. Keep sharing your thoughts and insights.
Let's keep this conversation going. The more perspectives we have, the better equipped we'll be to navigate this crucial challenge.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for joining me.